What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use Revolut's cryptocurrency feature. Let's get straight into the video. The first step is to verify your identity. So first thing, you got to ensure that your Revolut account is fully verified to access cryptocurrency features. The second step, of course, is to enable cryptocurrency trading. How you want to do that is to open the Revolut app and go to the More tab. Then you want to select cryptocurrency and enable trading. Now the third step is to fund your cryptocurrency account. You want to fund your Revolut account with the currency that you want to use to buy cryptocurrency, and you can transfer funds to your cryptocurrency account. Now the fourth step, of course, is to buy this cryptocurrency. So now that you have the funds in there, you want to browse the available cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, or whatever, and you could just select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy and enter in the amount, and then just confirm the transaction, and just like that you have your cryptocurrencies. Now the fifth step is to sell cryptocurrencies. So if you're looking to sell cryptocurrencies, all you got to do is just go to the cryptocurrency tab and just select the cryptocurrency that you want to sell. Of course, that's the cryptocurrency you bought before, so now you just want to select that to sell, and then you got to enter the amount that you want to sell and just confirm the transaction. Now the sixth step is how to track your cryptocurrency portfolio. So what you want to do is to view your cryptocurrency holdings and their current value, and then you want to track price changes and just receive notifications. So that's pretty useful to know and to have. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. That's all the info I got for you guys. If you like the video,